Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how we can render our part in a 3D viewer and how we can get a realistic image of our part and how we can export that image into the JPG form or PNG form so that you can use it on your blog, website, on the social media. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can also download my tutorial source file from here. You can also support my work by buying my FreeCAD crash course for beginner. It is a very basic level course for the beginner user, where a beginner user can master the FreeCAD. And you can also support my work on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. You will get my website link and my Ko-fi donation page link in a video description, or you can send to your client. So to do this, go to the tools and then add-on manager, and from here we will install one add-on which is known as a 3D printer workflow. You can use this add-on for the 3D printing if you have a slicer, but I am not going to cover the 3D printing part in this tutorial. I am going to cover how you can use this tool to get the realistic image of your part and how you can render it. So first install this add-on, and once you install this add-on you will get the options to add as a icon. So I have already installed. So first I will select my body and click on here 3D printer workflow. So you will get here the option generate an STL file for 3D printing, launch the slicer if you have a slicer installed on your system. So slicer will be launched, and tick mark all these things and click on OK. So you can see that our part is open in a 3D viewer. Now you can change the color from here, and you can change the light rotation, and from the viewer you can off the grid, and if you scroll down to here you will see some more option which you can customize. If you come to stats and shading, you can see that STL version of your file. Now from here you can reset your camera. So if I wanted to export this image, then go to the file and export image, then it will create a snapshot which you can export, and you can use this image on your blog, website, or social media, or you can share with your client. As I have not installed the slicer, so I'm not going to use for the 3D printing, but it is a very good tool to open your part in a 3D viewer. So this is the very small tutorial on FreeCAD, how to open a FreeCAD part in the 3D viewer.